Hey, I'm back. What am I doing now? Well, I've noticed my primary chain was loud, so I'm going to check it and see where it's at. I think it's probably loose. So first we're going to use a T27 Torx. We're going to take off all 4 of these screws here. You can see it's really loose. I loosened them up a little already. All right. Oh, wow. There's about that much room for it to move around, and at least. Huh. All right. We get something to make a measurement with. All right. So I took this screwdriver and I wrapped it with some tape. Go ahead and put it on here and just touch the bottom of the chain with it and mark it right there. I'm gonna push up with it and mark it there. Wow, that's over an inch. And it's only supposed to be 5/8 to 7/8. Alright, so we determined my chain has about 1 inch of play. And it's supposed to be at about between 5/8 and 7/8. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up to do that. I'm going to loosen this bolt right here. That should move up. Nope, then move down. Here, let's... Alright, that seems a lot better, but and that is exactly between 5/8 and 7/8. Put it on the 1. Yep, about 3/4 of an inch now. Play. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tighten this up now. Yeah, that's a lot better. And there we go. That's how I adjust my primary chain on my electric glide. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other videos. Leave a comment. All that good stuff. Most importantly, thanks for watching.